Lesson 1. Only one me. Reading flight launch. There is only one you. Will you not feel happy to be seen, heard, and loved for who you are? See, hear, and love others for who they are too. Listening, when you listen attentively to others, you pay attention to what you hear. It shows respect. Remember important details of the story. Sit properly and comfortably. Look at the teacher as she reads the story. Remain silent while your teacher reads the story. Listen attentively to your teacher as she reads a story about a girl waking up in the morning. Letter A. What did the girl hear? Circle them. Alarm clock. Cooking. Pig. Fire truck. Car. Radio. Can you imitate the sounds they make? What other sounds can you make? Letter B. Listen as your teacher plays other sounds from your surroundings. Can you identify them? Can you make these sounds too? Blast off. Phonological awareness. Why do you need to learn about sounds? Do all words begin with the same sound?